What is Google Ads? Google Ads is an online advertising platform developed by Google, where advertisers bid to display brief advertisements, service offerings, product listings, or videos. Key benefits: targeted advertising, cost control, CPC, CPA, CPM models, measurable ROI, wide reach via search, display, video, shopping, and app ads. 3 types of campaigns: search campaigns, display campaigns, video campaigns, YouTube, shopping campaigns, app campaigns, and performance max campaigns. Performance max campaigns leverage machine learning for an all-in-one campaign type that spans search, display, YouTube, and more. Smart bidding, automated bidding strategies like target CPA and target ROAS use machine learning to optimize conversions. Optimization tips: pause underperforming keywords, add negative keywords, refine targeting, adjust bids based on performance.
Monitoring and optimization. 9.1 Key metrics to monitor. CTR. Quality. SCORECPC. Conversion rate. Cost per conversion.
Add extensions. 7.1 Types of extensions. Site link extensions, callet extensions. Structured snippets. Call extensions. Location extension. 7.2 Why use extensions? They increase the visibility and click-through. Rate CTR of your ads. Writing effective ads. 6.1 Search ad structure. Headline 1, 2, and 3. Description lines. Display all. 6. To writing tips. Highlight benefits. Use calls to action. CTAs. Include target keywords. Match user intent. Creating your first campaign. 5.1 Choosing campaign type. Start with a search or performance max campaign. If you're new. 5.2 Setting budget and bidding. AI budget, amount you're willing to spend per day.